All of these features that we've been waiting on OpenAI for, well, Google probably just beat them to the punch. They actually did with the new Stream Real Time. We have live AI agents inside Google's AI studio that can, quote unquote, see us, they can hear us, they can understand what we're working on, they can see our screen. We have live AI agents available literally right now. All right. Give me about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to show you what you need to know inside the new multimodal live API with Gemini 2.0 and a quick overview of Google's AI Studio. All right, let's get into it. Before we do, if you're new here, what's going on, y'all? My name is Jordan Wilson. I'm the host of Everyday AI. We're a daily live stream podcast, free daily newsletter, helping everyday people learn and leverage generative AI to grow their companies and their careers. Most days we do what's called an AI in 5, quick 5 to 10 minute AI tip, trick, or tutorial that you can use right away. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So this is not Google Gemini as you might know it, right? So this is the back, kind of the developer side of Google. So it's Google's AI Studio. All right. So it is really made for developers, although it's not that tricky. I really wish Google would bring a lot of these features and functionalities inside the front end Gemini chatbot. But so many of, or so much of Google's actual generative AI and large language model power is inside either Google AI Studio or their Vertex platform. All right. So if you want a kind of me to show you a setup video, let me know. It's fairly straightforward. All right. So on the left-hand side here, you're going to see these things. So, you can get your API key, create a prompt, starter apps, tune a model, prompt gallery, etc. So, but there's this new Stream Real Time. So over here on the right hand, in this, the only model that you can use is the 2.0 Flash model. So this is the new Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. You can right now you can have an audio or text output, and then you can choose different voices. So let's dive into it. Hopefully, you all will be able to hear this. So there's 3 different things that we can do. We can talk to Gemini, just talking, right? So I give it access to your microphone. You can show Gemini, so use the camera, and then you can share your screen. I'm going to try to do all 3. One important thing to know about this, well, number 1, it's free, which is, oh, that's great. But anything that you upload, Google uses to train its models. So you don't have an option to opt out of training, right? You might be thinking, oh, Jordan, are you really going to put your face in here and your screen? Yeah, I don't care, right? I do a daily live stream podcast, right? My face, my words, they're in every single large language model. I don't care. All right, so just keep that in mind. Don't upload your sensitive documents or anything like that into this model because they do use it for training. All right, let's go first. Let's talk to Gemini. Like I said, hopefully with the screen sharing and the audio, you will be able to hear this. Actually, let me reshare this just to make sure. All right, it says share tab audio, so hopefully this works. All right, so I'm going to do a little testing because a couple things to keep in mind. I don't think this actually has real-time information to the website. So, or sorry, to the web, but we're going to test that. Here we go. Hey, what's going on, Gemini?
Not much, just hanging out. What are you up to?
Cool. Do you know what today is by chance?
I do not, but I can try to figure it out if you would like. Would you like me to guess what day it is?
Sure, humor me.
Okay, let's see. Is it a weekday or a weekend?
All right, so you have no clue. That's fine. Let's move on. Do you know what the weather is in Chicago?
I do not know the current weather in Chicago. Would you like me to look that up for you?
Yeah, sure, if you can.
I do not have access to the internet, so I cannot look that up for you.
Well,
Is there any
why'd you suggest looking it up for me if you can't look it up?
You are right. My apologies. I should not have offered that. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Can you tell me anything about the Everyday AI podcast by Jordan Wilson?
Yes, I can help you with that. The Everyday AI podcast by Jordan Wilson focuses on how artificial intelligence is transforming our daily lives. Would you like to know more?
Sure. How many episodes does the podcast have?
I am sorry, I do not have access to that information. Would you like to know anything else about the podcast?
screen version and this one. There we go. All right, so let's go. Hey, Gemini, what's going on?
Okay, so it sounds like the person in the video is starting a conversation. They said, let's go. Hey, Gemini, what's going on? Is there anything else you would like to discuss about this video?
Hey, Gemini, can you tell me, do I have hair or not?
It sounds like he is asking if he has hair. Based on the video, yes, the man has hair. Would you like to know anything else about the video?
How many fingers am I holding up?
Certainly. In the video, the man is holding up 3 fingers.
What about
Is
now?
there Okay, now he is holding up 2 fingers. Is there anything else you would
What
like to
about now? How
discuss?
many fingers?
The man is holding up 4 fingers now. Is there anything else you would like to know?
Are you sure about that last one?
Based on what I see, I am not sure about the last one. Would you like to review it again, or would you like to ask another question?
That. I clicked the wrong. Hey, Gemini, what do you see?
I see a man speaking in front of a green screen. He is wearing a white jacket over a light colored shirt. Is there anything else you'd like me to observe?
Do you see anything else in the frame? Look carefully.
Okay, besides the man, I see a solid green background, which appears to be a green screen. He's positioned in the center of the frame. Is that what you were looking for?
Yeah, can you tell me anything else about what you can see? Maybe just be very detailed. Tell me something very specific.
Okay, the man has short, dark hair that is neatly styled. He has light skin, and his eyes appear to be brown. He has some stubble on his face. The white jacket has a visible zipper, and his light shirt has a single button near the collar. How's that?
To share your screen. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen now, and I'm going to start talking to Gemini.
Okay, sounds good. I'm ready when you are.
Hey, what do you see here?
I see a screen that appears to be sharing. Is that what you are referring to?
Yes. What's the content on the screen? Can you tell me like what you're seeing?
I see a YouTube studio page for the channel Everyday AI. It looks like you are looking at the channel's
Good.
analytics for the last.
Based on what you see here, actually, give me a second. Let me go ahead and uh, no, that's fine. We'll just do it like this. Um,
Okay, I see that you're looking at the analytics page for your YouTube channel. Specifically, it appears to show the performance of
all
your
right, look
videos.
now. Look at some of my top videos by views. Can you give me some suggestions? Maybe give me 3 more videos that I could make right now based on what it looks like is working.
Okay, I can help with that. Based on your top performing videos by views, here are 3 suggestions for you. First, create a video on free GPT 4.0 versus Chat GPT Plus. Second, make a video on installing and running Metalama 3.1 locally. And finally, you could make a video about Google's Notebook LM.
Why would I do that? You just gave me the exact same videos that I already made. I want suggestions for new videos that I haven't made yet, based on. So I want you to analyze the content on the screen. And with that, suggest 3 new videos that would probably also be popular on the YouTube channel.
You're right, I apologize for that. I should have suggested new video ideas. Let me analyze the current data and suggest 3 new video topics you haven't covered yet that should do well on your channel.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, here are 3 new video ideas. First, create a video exploring Apple Intelligence and their new AI features. Second, make a video doing a studio review of the Spikes app and how it can be used to create vertical videos. And third, create a video on Microsoft's new Copilot voice mode.
Again, you just gave me videos that I've already created. Please do not do that. Maybe try one more time. And I want you to carefully analyze the types of videos that I make that get more views, and then suggest new videos that I have not created yet. So give me 3 videos that I have not created yet based on the data that you see that is working for my YouTube channel.
Okay, I understand. Based on the data that you've shown me, here are 3 new video ideas. First, create a video showcasing how to use ULearn with AI to learn faster. Second, create a video about the advanced voice mode on ChatGPT. And third, make a video discussing and comparing ChatGPT free versus paid versions.
Hey, what do you see right now on my screen?
I see the Everyday AI website. It looks like it features a daily AI newsletter and
Okay, good.
podcast.
Can you give me 3 extremely specific ways that I can improve the landing page on this website? Do not give me general things like, oh, you make better use of white space. That's generic. I don't have time for that. Give me 3 ultra specific pinpoint suggestions that could only be applied to this website. So take your time, analyze it thoughtfully and creatively, and give me 3 pinpoint specific ways I can improve this landing page.
Okay, I can definitely do that. Here are 3 specific suggestions to improve your landing page. First, you should make the Join for a Free Gift button a more prominent color, like orange or red, to draw more attention to it. Second, you should add a small descriptive paragraph about what exactly the daily AI newsletter includes. Finally, you should add a call to action below the podcast section to prompt the user to listen to the latest episodes.